In today's video, I'll show you how to create engaging stick figure animations in Canva, similar to the ones that are popular on the internet and generating millions of views. These simple videos are not only easy to create, but also highly engaging. To get started, create a new project in Canva and choose the video format. Head to the Elements tab and search for Paper Background. Select a paper background that suits your style, ensuring it's not too messy or obvious. If the background is too obvious, you can adjust its transparency to achieve the desired effect. Next, search for stick figures in the Elements tab. However, you'll notice that the results are varied and not uniform. To find stick figures with a consistent style, you'll need to use a hack. Search for Zdenek Sasek, which is the username of a creator who has designed a range of stick figures with a uniform style. By searching for this username, you'll be able to access a collection of stick figures created by this artist. To view more options, click on the three dots next to each stick figure and select View More. This will take you to a page showcasing all the stick figures created by this artist. With this hack, you can find stick figures with a consistent style, including various poses and emotions like tired, happy, sad, and more. You can also add text to your animation by clicking on the text option and customizing the font and size to your liking. To take your animation to the next level, consider using ChatGPT to generate a script and create a voiceover. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to Mohsin Digital House for more creative content.